one calling the shots. Guess who be running the show? Fuck with me though, making me feel like the bad guy.
Okay, so I know a few of you have asked me to do air conditioning videos. So, I mean, I'll do just quick dirty. Letting the car warm up before I go to work, but you can see air conditioning line is attached there. AC is right down below. Okay, and the important thing is I made, very hard to see this, there's a tensioner right there. I'll zoom in real slow. So I made this tensioner out of a standard, I think it was either RX-7 or Honda. It's a bolt style with a hole in it. And as you tighten the bolt this way, it's sliding this way. So you tighten the bolt this way and it slides on. It goes like a banjo would for kind of like side loading. Anyways, this battery's about to die. I'm gonna shoot another video for you guys. Alright, sorry about that. So, air conditioning. You can kind of see this line comes around here, goes down. And that ends up being the right side on the air conditioning. You have this line comes around, and that's the left side. So and of course loops around here, and it goes down. Here's where I welded, and then I used the Integra air conditioning. So the condenser's right here. And very simply put, it's as much B series as possible. You can see the clearance of this Brough performance is really cool with the lighting. It is barely notched right there, and just a little bit of hammer work, and you're pretty much good to go. It's super tight, but it does look nice when it's done. Cruise control works, AC works, power steering. If you guys are interested, I will write up a guide on how to do that. It's not worth making a video of, although writing out the proper way of setting it is, there's so many different ways to do power steering. So, anyways, the motor is warm up. I'm gonna go off to the shop with an RX-7. If you haven't already, like, subscribe. That RX-7 build is pretty much everything I've got. It's my heart and soul goes into it. That's my whole bank account goes into it. You know, you do what you can, and that to me is a showcase of the work that I'm capable of doing. It's a kind of a fuck you to a few people that said, you know, don't do this. This is the wrong car. This is my commuter. This is my daily driver. So, you know, this thing needs to be stupid reliable. Needs to be great on gas, which I get like almost 30 miles per gallon highway all the time. I get like the worst I've gotten is 21, and yet I can chirp fourth gear. So this works. It's reliable. It's doing its job. But it is not an RX-7. It is not a rear-wheel drive fun car. It's a front-wheel drive badass canyon carver. So stay tuned. And in case you guys need to see the dryer, it is totally Integra factory. You just have to hand bend these lines a little tiny bit and they end up being perfect. And yeah, it's real simple. It's a single pulley, by the way, if you guys haven't noticed. So, yeah, subscribe, See you guys later.
I know I'm calling the shots. Guess who'll be running the show? Fuck with me though, making me feel like the bad guy.